Students, today we will do analysis of solution number 17. So, first we will see the color of the solution, that is our first test of preliminary test. So, you can see the OS. Color of the solution is, it is colorless. So, we will write in the observation colorless, and the inference we will write Fe plus 2, Fe plus 3, Ni plus 2, Cu plus 2, etc. are absent. Then we will see the second test, that is litmus test. For this, first we will start with blue litmus paper. We will dip this in the OS. You can see there is no change. So now we will use the red litmus paper. Here also you can see there is no change. So in the observation you will write no change, and in the bracket you will write neutral, that is salt of strong acid and strong base, or salt of weak base and weak acid. Now we will do the third test, that is flame test. Flame test, for this we need platinum wire. So before doing this flame test we need to clean this wire. So for cleaning you will dip this wire into concentrated HCl and you will heat it continuously. Then we will perform the flame test. We will take the OS in a test tube. Into this we will add concentrated HCl. Then we will dip the platinum wire into the solution, and we will observe the flame color while heating it. You can see the brick red color. You can see the brick red color. Which shows Ca plus 2 may be present in the given solution. As you can see the given chart, see when the flame color is brick red, Ca plus 2 may be present. Now we will proceed to the fourth test, that is borax bead test. But we will not perform this test for this solution because we already know that this test is performed only for colored solution, and this solution is colorless, so we will not perform this test. To B part, that is wet test for the positive radical. For this we will do the test number 1, that is for group 1. We will take OS in a test tube. To this we will add dilute HCl. You can see there are no precipitates, so in the observation you will write no precipitates, group 1 absent. Now we will proceed to second test. So in the same test tube we will add H2S water. You can see there are no precipitates, so in the observation you will write no precipitates, second group absent. Now we will proceed to third test, that is for third A. For this we will take OS in a fresh test tube. To this we will add ammonium chloride, and after this we have to add ammonium hydroxide till the solution becomes alkaline. So for this we will put a red litmus paper in the test tube. After this we will add ammonium hydroxide till the red litmus paper turns blue. So you can see the paper has changed to blue, and you cannot see any precipitates. That means third A group is also absent. Then we will proceed to test number 4, that is for group third B. Into the same test tube you will add H2S water. Here also you can see no precipitates. So in the observation you will write no precipitates, and in the inference you will write group third B is absent. So we will proceed to fifth test. So for this we will take OS in a fresh test tube. Then we will add ammonium chloride. Then as we have to add ammonium hydroxide till the solution becomes alkaline, so we will add red litmus paper. Then we will start adding ammonium hydroxide till the paper turns to blue. You can see the paper has turned blue. So after this we will add ammonium carbonate. You can see white precipitates. So in the observation you will write white precipitates, 4th group present. The C part, that is analysis of group. So as we have found in wet test for the positive radical that group 4 is present, so we will analyze group 4. So for this we will take little amount of OS in a test tube. Then we will add calcium sulfate. So we did not find any precipitate, so that means calcium, that is Ca+2, may be present in the given solution. Part, that is confirmative test for Ca+2. So its first test is OS plus Na2CO3. So for this we will take little amount of OS in a fresh and clean test tube. In this we will add Na2CO3. You can see white precipitates in the test tube, which confirms Ca+2 is present in the given. We will do the second confirmative test. For this we will take OS in a test tube. In this we will add ammonium oxalate. You can see white precipitate, that means Ca+2 is confirmed. This is second confirmative test for Ca+2. Now we will do the third confirmative test. For this we will take little amount of OS in a test tube. Then we will add ammonium carbonate. So you can see white precipitates in the test tube. So this is the third confirmative test for Ca+2. The E part, that is wet test for the negative radicals. For this first we will do the test for chloride. For this we will take OS in a test tube. Then we will add AgNO3, that is silver nitrate. We can see that there are no precipitates. That means in the observation you will write no precipitates, Cl- absent. Then we will do the test for sulfate. For this we will take OS in a test tube. Then we will add barium chloride to it. Here also you can see no precipitates. That means sulfate ion is absent. So in the observation you will write no white precipitates, SO4 - 2 absent. For the test of nitrate, we will take OS in a test tube. Then we will add copper foil into it. Then we will add concentrated sulfuric acid. After this we will heat. You can see the evolution of brown fumes. This is of NO2. So in the observation you will write brown fumes of NO2 gas, and the inference you will write NO3 minus may be present. Now we will do the F part, that is confirmative test for the negative radical. In this we will do the confirmative test for nitrate. For this we will take little amount of OS in a test tube. Then we will add concentrated H2SO4. Then we will cool the test tube under the tap water. After this, we will add freshly prepared FeSO4 from the side of the test tube. You can see the brown ring at the junction of the test tube. So this confirms that our solution contains nitrate as the negative radical. So in the observation you will write brown unstable ring at the junction, and the inference you will write NO3 minus confirms. After doing the analysis of solution number 17, we have found that the positive radical present in the solution is Ca+2 and the negative radical present in the solution is NO3 minus. So the name of the salt is calcium nitrate and its formula is CaNO3 whole twice.